Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video, we're looking at isometric projection. So isometric projection is a three-dimensional drawing, and we'll be using the isometric principles to represent a hexagonal base prism which is standing vertically as shown on the screen. So on the left of the screen is a given isometric drawing of the hexagonal base prism, and the lowest point is indicated by the red X, and that is the lowest point of the drawing. The drawing on the right, which is labeled CAD drawing, this is our CAD solution. We use the AutoCAD software to produce a CAD drawing. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of a triangle given the base, the altitude, and the base angle. We highly recommend that you visit that video after you have completed watching this video. At CAD with Mr. Yu, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online. We thank you for joining us, and we hope that you are doing splendid, and we'll be starting the video now. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be drawing the hexagonal base prism that we drew in the previous video in third angle projection. We'll be drawing that hexagonal base prism in isometric projection. All right. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw our isometric drawing to start off the drawing. All right, so we're going to draw a line. Going to turn on snap. So the length of this line will be 20. Enter. Enter. We're going to draw another line. We're going to turn off ortho. The length of this line will be 20 millimeters and the angle would be 60 degrees. Enter. We're going to draw this side. The length will be 20 and the angle will be 120. Enter. We're going to come across. We're going to turn on ortho. This length of this line will be 20. Enter. I'm going to turn off ortho. Coming down, the length of this line would be 20 millimeters and the angle would be 240. Enter. When I come down, the length of this line would be 20 and the angle would be 300 degrees. Enter. Enter. Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw a rectangle around it, alright, around the hexagon. So we're gonna turn off snap and we're gonna draw a construction line from here, there. Enter, enter. Draw a construction line from there to there. Enter. We need to turn on ortho. I'm gonna draw a construction line from there to there. Enter. I'm gonna draw a line from here to there. Enter. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Enter. We're gonna draw a line from here coming down vertically. Enter. Gonna draw a line from here coming across. Enter. Gonna draw another line from here coming across. Enter. Draw a line to intersect here. Good. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw this rectangle in isometric projection. So we're gonna measure this. We can trim off those lines so that it looks neat. All right, so we're gonna go trim. I'm gonna trim this, trim this, trim that, trim that, trim, trim, trim. Enter. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna measure. So we're gonna go linear. click there, click there. That is 34.64. Now we're going to type D for dim style. Going to go modify, and on the primary unit, it's going to change the comma to period, and we're going to change the precision to 0 decimal place. Going to press OK. Going to close. All right, so there, that is 35 millimeters. Okay. All right, we're going to measure this measurement right here. So we're going to measure from here to the center. That's 20. Enter. We're going to measure from here to there. That's 10. Enter. We're going to measure from there to there. Enter. All right, that's 40. Good. What we're going to do, we're going to use this measurement now to set out the isometric drawing. All right. So the first thing we're going to draw a isometric rectangle. All right, so we're going to draw this rectangle. We're going to select a point right here. So the length of this side would be 40 millimeters and the angle would be 30 degrees. Enter. All right, so we're going to draw this side now. So the length would be what? 35 millimeters, and the angle would be 150 degrees. Enter. So we're going to come down, and the length of this line would be 40 millimeters, and the angle would be 210, right? And then coming back here now, the length of this line would be 35 millimeters, and the angle would be 330 degrees. Enter. All right. What this represents is the base of the prism, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to move it down. All right, so I have to go to the move command. I'm going to select these 4 lines. We're going to press enter. I'm going to choose here. I'm going to carry it down like this. Enter. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to draw the hexagon in this rectangle. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to draw a line 10 millimeters here. So we're going to go line here. The length of this line will be 10 millimeters, and the angle would be 30 degrees. Enter. All right. We're gonna do the same thing on we're gonna do the same up the other end, right? So we're gonna go line from, gonna turn off snap. So from this point coming down, the length of this line would be 10, and the angle coming down would be 210. Enter. Now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw a line. We have come to the end of part 1 of 2 videos covering the topic, the isometric drawing of a hexagonal base prism. In the next video, which is part 2 of the 2 videos covering the topic, we will be continuing the isometric drawing, and we'll be inserting the dimensions, and we'll be completing the drawing. At CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online and we are happy to be part of your educational goals. We're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.